In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front ABS harness on your Scion XB. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Remove the hubcap. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Wiggle the sensor back and forth and pull it out. If you need to, you can use a pair of pliers on this. Just be very careful. It is plastic and we don't want to break it off inside of the knuckle. Pop the clip open using a trim tool and pull the harness out. Use a 10mm socket and remove the bolt for the bracket. Using a 14mm socket, remove the bolt for the bracket off the strut. Follow the harness up and we have one more plastic clip. Pop that plastic clip open. Follow the harness up behind the fender liner. We're going to pull our inner fender liner back. Now you can see our connection. There's a push tab right on my thumb. It was right on top. Push that button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a trim tool, pop off the connector. Remove the ABS harness from the vehicle. Install the ABS sensor into the knuckle. Get the bolt started. We're going to remove the plastic stay off of the strut using a trim tool. Install the new plastic stay. Pull the bracket over. Install the bolt and snug it down. Install the bracket. Install the bolt. Make sure the bracket stays installed on the body. Get it nice and snug. Continue following it up. We have one more plastic clip we have to remove. Install the plastic stay. Pull the inner fender liner down and back. Install the connector into the body with the plastic stay on the back of it. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Push your inner fender liner back up into place. Torque the bolt to 75 inch-pounds. Install the wheel. Get all the lug nuts started. snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 79 foot-pounds. Install the hubcap and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.